Hi, I'm Thomas, a technician from Horntools, and today I'll show you how to assemble our ExRoof roof racks. First, we lay out all our parts, check that everything's there, and then we take our corners. These corners are attached to the side of these profiles. To do this, you'll need to slide in a T-nut and then insert our corner profile. Once you've put the corners on, take the longer screws and bolt the parts together. You can use a cordless screwdriver for this. It's important to only tighten the parts by hand at first, as we'll need to align the roof rack on the vehicle again during installation. Once you've bolted the cross profiles to the corners, it's time for the longitudinal parts of the roof rack. Now we insert our connectors. So position the T-nuts again and use the materials provided. Important, when you insert the intermediate profiles, put the T-nuts in first, otherwise you'll have problems later. Right, now the intermediate profiles are aligned and then bolted together with the shorter screws. So now we've bolted our base rack together. Now we're going to attach the feet. We're doing the same thing here again. We take all the components out of the box and check that we have all the screws and all the parts together. Now we insert the T-nuts into our cross profiles again. Now we take a 13mm socket and tighten the whole thing by hand again. And the same on the other side. So now we've put our ExRoof together. Now we just need to work out which is the front and the back. And once you've done that, you pull this rubber strip in. This is for the wind noise, so it's not quite so loud around your vehicle. Any excess is simply cut off. That was the assembly of our ExRoof, and in the next video, we'll show you how to put the whole thing on the vehicle.